Hey, I'm Tatiana with SpacesEDU, and in this video, we're going to introduce you to your admin account. The first half of this video will focus on visibility and ways you can support implementation as an administrator, while the second half will be on staff and student management. Our goal is to empower you to confidently manage students, staff, classes, and portfolios in SpacesEDU, and to support successful implementation every step of the way. To get started, simply log into your SpacesEDU admin account. Once you're in, you'll be taken to the dashboard. This provides a quick overview of basic user statistics and engagement. While you're here, keep an eye on the top right corner. This is where you'll see any pending teacher requests that require your attention. I'm skipping ahead here for those who aren't responsible for student and staff management. We also have a separate video to showcase the reporting capabilities in the admin account. The formal admin review tool will be explored in that video. As a SpacesEDU administrator, you have complete oversight and management capabilities for all classes within your school and district. The Classes tab gives you full access to view and manage every class in your school or district. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all classes. You can quickly view essential details like the class name, assigned teachers, grade level, number of students, and a number of connected families to gain further insights into the engagement within the school. Need to find a specific class? Use the search bar. To view a class, simply click the class name and a new tab will open on your internet browser, bringing you to the class. The class management tool is a powerful asset for supporting SpacesEDU implementation at your schools. It offers you a bird's eye view of what's happening in SpacesEDU classes. And the best part is that you can easily spot successful teaching and engagement strategies, allowing you to identify and share those best practices at your school or across the district. Did you see a really great use case? Why not give a shout out during a staff meeting? To view student learning, simply click on the space and you'll have access to a dedicated feed of student work and reflection. You have the ability to review student learning, leave comments or feedback using text or multimedia, as well as engage with reaction, an excellent way to gain insight into the amazing work being done within your school. To return to the class overview, click the back arrow in the top left-hand corner. Speaking of engagement strategies, are you curious about which stakeholders are tied to the class? Simply click the People tab at the top of the screen and toggle between students, family, or co-teachers. You can also view the class engagement dashboard to gain insight into login data on students, teachers, and families within each class. It displays the most recent login timestamp, allowing you to see if people are connecting and engaging with the platform. If certain classes show infrequent family logins, it's a clear signal for targeted outreach. Are students and families logging in around the time of recent posts? If yes, this would be a great indication that users are actively engaged and checking in periodically. Additionally, the class management tool is ideal for supporting teachers and troubleshooting. Imagine a teacher contacting you about students not being able to see their spaces. You can directly access their class, see exactly how they configure their visibility settings, then provide targeted support or even quickly make adjustments yourself. It's also incredibly useful for onboarding new teachers. You can observe how they're setting up their classes and using SpacesEDU. You're able to offer timely guidance to set them up for success. Next up, let's talk about portfolios. Does your school or district license this add-on? With the Portfolios feature, district administrators create portfolio templates, but all administrators can view them here. Portfolio templates include dedicated sections tailored exactly to your needs, whether that's for your entire district all students at a particular school, or even customized for individual grade levels. In the Portfolios tab, you'll find an overview of all existing portfolio templates in your school or district. Each template contains helpful information like the portfolio name, the associated grade levels, whether it's for the entire district or specific schools, and its current status, letting you know if it's published or unpublished. From this page, you can complete various actions to manage your templates. You could add a new portfolio template, easily download links to student portfolios and share them with stakeholders. Of course, there's a search bar to quickly find a specific template, and for existing templates, you have full control to edit, duplicate, unpublish, or delete them. Most importantly, you can view student portfolios directly from here. Now let's walk through the portfolio template creation process. Click Add Template and fill in the required fields. We highly recommend completing the optional fields too, based on your specific needs. Once you're happy with all the details you've entered, click Create Template at the top right of the screen. This will save your portfolio in an unpublished state, meaning it will not be visible to students and teachers yet. To make any portfolio visible, simply click on the toggle button to the right of Unpublished, then confirm Yes, Publish. The portfolio will be visible in teacher, student, and admin accounts right away. By clicking any portfolio name, you'll be taken to a separate tab in your internet browser where you can view the portfolio grid. This gives you access to individual student portfolios. At a quick glance, the portfolio grid displays important information like the student name, their shareable URL, and a number of posts per section. And with the plus sign, you can easily add posts on behalf of students if needed. Once inside a specific student's portfolio, you can perform a series of tasks. You can add or copy new posts and even draft posts. You can easily switch between sections and scroll through the feed. Naturally, you can view post content in detail. And just like in classes, you can comment on posts and react to posts, offering valuable feedback directly in the student's portfolio. Now, let's dive into the core of your administrative tasks, starting with the Students tab. If you're a district admin or school admin overseeing multiple schools, remember to select the specific school you wish to manage from the drop-down menu at the top right. The first thing you might notice on this page is the missing student IDs notification. This is important, especially for CSV imports. New student accounts added through CSV imports will always have an associated student ID. However, if students have manually created their accounts, perhaps before the first CSV import, they won't have an ID linked yet. From the Students page, you can access a set of information and complete various actions. You can view a comprehensive list of active, inactive, and invited students within the selected school. You can modify student names, email addresses, and even passwords. A quick note, if your school or district uses single sign-on, these passwords can only be reset through your organization's account management system. Please contact your IT department for assistance. You can even adjust the classes assigned to each student. Now let's move over to the Staff tab. This is where you can manage all staff and teachers within SpacesEDU. The first thing that might catch your eye is a New Requests button in red. This indicates teacher requests that need your attention. Teachers require your approval in two main scenarios: when they create a new account at a licensed SpacesEDU Pro school, or when another teacher invites them to a class as a co-teacher. If it's their first time being invited as co-teacher to the school, you'll only need to approve them once. Both school and district administrators have the ability to approve these requests. From the Staff tab, you can complete several common staff management tasks, such as update a teacher's school affiliation if they've changed schools, add a teacher to a class, or remove them as needed, update a teacher's name or email address, and for teachers not using single sign-on, you can reset their passwords. It's worth noting that for schools and districts using SpacesEDU with SIS Sync, teacher management is largely automated. Teachers are automatically added to their new school and removed from their previous school based on your rostering data. This means that with SIS Sync, you generally won't need to manually update schools for most teachers, though you still have the option to manage staff from your admin account if necessary. Before we wrap up, I wanted to share one last useful tip with you. Did you know that you have access to a teacher and student view directly from your admin account? To see this in action, make sure you're in your admin account dashboard. Next, click on your avatar in the top right and choose between teacher or student. When you switch to your teacher profile, you'll find you can create your own test class or even accept an invitation to join an existing class. This means that you have access to the complete SpacesEDU experience from a single account. Gain a better understanding of the teacher and student experience while testing out all SpacesEDU features. As you can see, your SpacesEDU Pro license provides you with a comprehensive admin account that allows you to oversee and support all users at your school or district. From managing students and staff to taking a peek at classes, you're equipped with everything you need for successful implementation. If your school or district is utilizing SpacesEDU for reporting, you can learn more about the formal admin review capabilities in another dedicated video tutorial. If you have any further questions or would like more information on any features we discussed, feel free to email hello@spacesedu.com. I'm Tatiana with SpacesEDU. Thanks for watching.